Hey guys, so today I'm at the Aquarage Hatchery and Technical Transfer Center, and I feel like you deserve to know what's happening inside. Being a Friday, I know there are so many activities going on, but I'll just show you a glimpse of what's going on. So come nikushow. My name is Agnes Bidoni. Activity for today, one of our team members is removing grass from the pond to make it tidy and clean, as one of them is feeding the fries that will be placed under sex reversal.
My name is Godwin Ogenga. I'm working here as a hatchery technician. And before we started this activity we are doing here, there was a production, what is going on, and after production, we separating the females and males to resting stage. So now we are giving the heifers for the restocking.